Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cream of chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and a 1/4 cup of butter. Don't forget your salt, pepper, and any other desired seasonings. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get started with the cooking. Place a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted and is shimmering, add your diced chicken pieces. Sauté the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it's lightly browned on all sides. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your dish, so don't rush it. With your chicken nicely browned, it's time to combine the rest of our ingredients. Pour in the 2 cans of cream of chicken soup and then gradually whisk in the 1 1/2 cups of milk. Stir everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, reducing the heat to low. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce thickens to your liking and the chicken is cooked through. Your delicious cream of chicken is now ready to be served. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. Try serving it over fluffy white rice, egg noodles, or creamy mashed potatoes for a comforting meal. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives. Enjoy your homemade hearty cream of chicken, perfect for any weeknight dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.